Hey guys, it's Amira. What? Oh my god. Right when I start doing my video, I have to go get my uncle the controller. Coming. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, back. Okay, hey guys, it's Myra. Oh, freak! I hit my head. Okay, well, right now I'm not gonna do like a full video. This video might be like 32 seconds, 34, 35. Well, other late. Well, tomorrow is school. Today I miss school. Don't really want to know why, but I am going to subscribe to my friend. That's going to be my video tomorrow. I'm going to try to record in school, but like, you're not going to see my face. I'm gonna have my coat on, and my phone is going to be in there. So when I go to lunch, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'm gonna have to turn off my phone because I don't want to waste the battery and make it die. So what I'm gonna do a lot of things. I'm gonna put my phone like on down and stuff like that. Okay. Okay. I'm watching some TV, sorry. I get distracted. Okay, well, it's about 1 minute. It's been 1 minute already. I'm going to tell you the plan tomorrow when I'm on the bus with my friend and stuff like that. So, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, I'm about to go text my friend right now. You should subscribe to my friend, D Blur. It's D-E-E. Wait, I'm gonna write it down right now. It's this. Look, you should go subscribe to her. She's very funny. We really like each other. We are best friends. And you should subscribe to my other friend. I'm gonna write both of them down. Got my. Oh, it's writing. Okay, whatever. Here's the first one. Here's one of my friends. You should subscribe to both of them. It is. Okay. Okay, coming. And here's the second one. Here is my other friend. Okay, there we go. We have right here. Oh my god. The first one is cotton underscore candy 123. The cotton, the C is uppercase. Underscore candy is lowercase. 123 is not together. It's spaced out. So it's like this. Okay, and my other one is D. D Blur is D is uppercase. E. B, I don't know if it's uppercase or lowercase, so try one of those. It is B-I-L-L-I-R. B, uppercase. The B is uppercase or lowercase, I don't remember. I-L-L-I-R. The D and Blur are spaced out. They are not together. Okay, guys, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. And peace. See you tomorrow with the plan. Bye.